Hey everybody, Jeannette Schilling here with GelMoment. Today I'm going to show you guys our amazing deluxe body coffee scrub. I've chosen the chocolate one, which has got a touch of caramel in it, and the packages are 70 grams. You can see how big the packages are. You could get about 8 to 10 uses out of it for your body. So this GelMoment coffee scrub has been specifically formulated to exfoliate and moisturize your body. It is that time of the day to decadently spoil yourself. Enjoy the rich aroma of deep chocolate infused with a hint of sweet caramel. Using our base of finely ground coffee and a blend of organic oils, this will exfoliate your skin while infusing with a great source of vitamins and antioxidants. People will ask, what's the special glow? You'll know exactly what to say. So this is the caramel, which has got a very beautiful aroma of caramel. You can definitely smell it. It's got cocoa shea butter, some fruit oils. You can see that it is a little bit chunkier inside. That's from the shea butters and the fruit oil. And it is a little bit on the heavier grit. You only need about a tablespoon, half a tablespoon, I'd say, to do your entire body. So you're going to just take a little bit out, step aside out of your running water from your shower or your bath, and then just gently dump it into your hand and rub it on your skin. So I'm just going to pick a little bit up with my finger and just rub it on, and a lot goes a long ways. And you would just rub it all, and then it's not like a body scrub, so it's not going to dissolve the coffee grinds. You're just going to wipe it off, and then it is nice and smooth. And you don't have to apply any lotion or any creams after you get out, because your skin is honestly so moist and exfoliated from the coffee. So thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Jeannette Schilling, Distributor of GelMoment. Have a great day.